Hey, what's up, y'all? Back with your market update, man. This is my market update. It's not yours. This is an unedited video. I talked and I posted. Y'all know I am a dividend cash flow investor. Like monthly dividend, monthly cash flow. Your bills come every 30 days. That's why I like monthly. I do invest in quarterly dividends also, which is every 3 months or every season. But my bills come every 30 days and not every season nor 3 months. So I try to stick to the monthly cash flow. So let's get it on. All right, well, still in buy range. I'm trying to think of anything urgent buys. Ticker HRZN, Horizon Technology. End up having bad earnings. End up missing their earnings. That stock got down to $9.87 in the post market, and I think it went back up to like $10.10 and closed at $10.10 or $10 even. Pays 11 cents a share a month, so that's one to buy a share of every day. Unless you want to swing trade, you can load up whichever way you want. It is in a good loading up range. Just got to wait till tomorrow to see how the stock going to trade after its after missing its earnings. ARR, Armor Residential REIT, got down to $18.60 today. Finished up today. Post market like $19.03. Like I told y'all, that's gonna go back to. Anytime it comes down below the 18 range, it's probably gonna finish up above the $19 range for that day. But this stock will go back above 20 bucks easily. So this your accumulation stage. You can buy at this price and hold, or if you want to swing trade, you can swing trade. I think ARR is going to make a new 52-week high anyway. I think the 52-week high right now around about 22 bucks. I think it's going to surpass that in the future, especially after the interest rate cuts. All right, ORC, or Orchid Island Capital, ORC. You know that pays 12 cents a share a month. And also ARR pays 24 cents a share a month. All right, ORC got down to $7.63. It closed the day, I want to say at $7.90 or $7.92 or something. I brought a bunch of shares at $7.63, $7.80. And I think I did some around $7.76 or something, but I sold all of them at $7.86, so made a couple dollars. Major reason of doing it was to lower my average cost, so especially in my Webull portfolio. In my Robinhood and my Charles Schwab, I buy them and hold them. I'm probably gonna swing trade some in my Robinhood and just hold on to my Charles Schwab. That's kind of my long-term hold. Portfolio. That's why I say you might want to have two to three portfolios, not just one, unless you just gonna be a dollar cost averaging investor. Then it's that there. But if you gonna try to trade a little bit, you might want to have 2 or 3 portfolios. Ticker PSEC, Prospect Capital, got down to $5.21. They had an ex-dividend date on yesterday, so this gonna be your time to accumulate this one. It can go down to below the 520 range, and if it does, you better load up. It's gonna go back to 530 like easily. And in the future, this stock will go back above $6 a share. Pays 6 cents a share a month. OXSQ is still trading sideways. Pays 3.5 cents a share a month. Seems like it's staying between that 288 and 290 range. That's another one to buy. See what else I got. That is AGNC, pays 12 cents a share. Got down to like $9.37 a day. It's time to accumulate. It's gonna go back above the $10 range and gonna make a new 52-week high. This is also a REIT. So once they start cutting the interest rates, that's gonna fly. Another REIT is ticker IVR, pays out quarterly, 40 cents a share a quarter, which is every 3 months. I put a buy order in at $8.12. I have this in my Robinhood, which I'm a hold, but I'm a swing trade it in my Webull. I can do unlimited trades. So I put A buy order in 812 for 50 shares. And whatever get to that high for that daily high is 824, 832. I'm going to let it rip. Take profit, rinse and repeat. I need to lower my average cost on that one. Alright, we're going to get to the oil stocks. You got USOI. That's a Credit Suisse. Does cover calls on oil. They got down to $62.15 a day. I think I brought like 2 shares in my Webull, and that dollar cost averaging good. My profit spot about $70 a day, 50, 20, 50, and 10 or something like that. In my Robinhood, also USOY is a yield max covered call with option crude oil ETF. Got down to 14.62. I added 2 shares on. I think I got one for 14.71 and another price. Think for this money paid like 62 or 92 cents a share. So that's the reason for that. Charge point for your traders down to 124. You got to load up and accumulate at these prices. I buy 10 shares a day. Just loading up for the future to be a swing trade. Got Goro, Goro. That's a gold stock. That one got down to 15 cents. I brought like 15 cents a share. I brought like $10 worth to add on. So I'm buying $10 worth of Goro every day at 17 and under. And I'm a swing traded at 23 cents. At 17 cents and under, but I'm a swing traded at 23 cents just to get my money back, rinse and repeat. Main things to lower my average cost. Got average cost down around 41 cents a share. So all the way from like 87 or 81 cents. So came down to that. Another one, Western Union, man, came down. They gave it a new price target of $12 and they lowered it to $11. So that's why that stock is dropping. They got down about $10.80 something today and loaded up on that. I'm a swing trade that. Also, I loaded up at the 11.03 to 10.80 range. I got a sell order in at $11.13 just to get my money back, rinse and repeat, and to lower my average cost. And that's about it, man. That's a nice little list to look at. Ticker TWO2 is also a REIT. Had bad earnings on yesterday. I'm buying fractional shares, little $5 a day here and there. It's not near its 52-week low, but I'm just monitoring that stock. You could buy just a share a day and just monitor it. It does pay a decent dividend too. Market cap is not high. That's why I'm really not watching it. When it gets up and I get green in it, I'm probably going to sell it. And let that be that. Put my money probably in like a RYLD when it comes down and I can catch it. RYLD pays a dividend of 16 cents a share bunt. Can get it. I'm going to put a buy order in at 16 even. Whenever it comes down to reach it, it reaches it. If not, I just sit there and collect the dividend. That's it, man. Sign it off. Get ready for the market. It's late. 11:42. Go get your money.